Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 17th chapter, that is the pollution of water and air. In the previous videos already we have discussed about that what is that air pollutions and what are the effects and what is the source of air pollutions we have discussed. But students, today we are going to discuss about that what is that water pollution, and especially we will discuss about that special in the last part of that air, how that air pollution we can do that prevention. Okay, so we have discussed about that how that air pollutions are causing, what are the sources of the air pollution. But in this video we will discuss about that what is that air pollution prevention, that means how can it protect, okay, how can it will be reduced, okay, prevention how can we can do, and also we will discuss about that what is that water pollution and its sources. So let us discuss about that. First of all, prevention of air pollution. The prevention of air pollution generally use of modified automobiles engines where the complete combustion of a fuel take place. Friends, you know that how the smokes are coming because unburnt substances. Whenever one wood or fuel substances or that if it completely it will burn, then there is no smokes. Okay, but if unburned, that means if 70% it will burn, then 30% it will not burn, that it will convert as like smokes, like it will come out. Okay, so whenever the fuels is burning in the automobiles by the fossil fuels, it should be completely have to burn, then it will reduce the smokes or it releasing that less amount of poisonous or the making that less pollution of the air pollution. So you have to make like that automobiles engines, you have to modify like that engines, which one can completely it will make that burn the fossil fuels. Use less polluting fuels like unleaded petrol and CNG, means is compressed natural gases, to keep air clean. You know that students, all automobiles are running by generally what is that? By fossil fuels. But if we will use like our natural gases or that compressed natural gases, if we use for that automobiles, almost all if will depend upon that, then our environment will become clean. That means it natural natural gases it does not pollute that air. Okay, so almost everybody should try to use CNG or that natural gases for that houses or in the for that our automobiles or the vehicles. Coal based thermal power plant pollute that environment drastically. You know that so many power plantations are there, thermal power plantations are there. So which one using the coals to produce the electricity? Okay, in the thermal power station power plant, what they are using? Most of that very heavy amount of that coals they are burning and making that thermal power station they are using, and they are converting that electricity. Their turbine they are rotating and producing that electricity. Okay, so in that thermal power station, specially they are using that what? Coal. Okay, and that coal which are producing that what is the carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, so all the things which are is making that poisonous more smokes, and it is making the poisonous or that pollutant to the air. Okay, that is very main things. Second, if we will not use about that, then we can prevention we can do. So coal based thermal power plants pollute the environment drastically. So if we avoid that, instead of thermal power station, if you hydro power station, if you make or that other like a solar system, if you use and you will produce that electricity, instead of what is that coal, that thermal power station, we can use other, then we can use hand that electricity, then that our air pollution will decrease. We should use the alternative source of energy like solar energy, hydropower, tidal energy, nuclear energy, etc. Instead of that coal based thermal power station, we should whatever the energy or electricity we are getting, instead of that we should depend upon that solar energy from the sun we are getting, and hydropower energy by the water with it, and tidal energy by the oceans tidals with it, and nuclear energy also we can use for that what is that electricity or other. So by the way, we have to reduce our air pollution. Planting as a many trees as possible in the surroundings help to clean the air. Since you know, even the air pollution if will increase, if one thing is the first causes is one deforesting. If we do that afforestation, if you do that afforestation, then what will happen? The number of many of trees as much possible if you make that keep that plantation, then what will happen? They will receive that carbon dioxide especially, and they will release the oxygens. Then that balanced will come. So you must keep that plantation or you do that afforestation. Next we will discuss about the students in this chapter pollution of water. How that water is getting polluted. Okay, you know that students, we are not thinking, we are not caring about that. We are throwing that plastic bags, polythene covers. If an animal also, if you dead bodies of that animals, we are throwing to the river, ponds or something. Yes. So by that way, what happen? That water bodies or that water is getting pollutants, and especially almost you know that waters are polluting by that man-made things only, by the human activities only. Suppose when industries are there, whatever that it is releasing that byproducts like some other waste materials, we are directly sending to the river, we are sending direct to the pond, we are sending direct to the ocean. So when what happening? It is totally polluting that water bodies or water, it is getting that water pollutant. You know that whenever we are digging that, whenever we want that petrol, diesel, or that when petrol we want or fossil fuel we want, we are digging that ocean. Whenever we are digging that, what happening? At that time, leakaging of that petrols, oils, that is mixing with that water. By that way also, water is becoming pollutant. When the ship is traveling, and at that time, if leakage of the tanks of ship, oil tank of ship, at that time what will happen? That water surface totally is spoiling. Total water is getting the pollutant. So let us discuss about that. What are the causes? The contamination of water with the unwanted and harmful substances is called water pollution. The mixing of the unwanted things like plastic bags, polythenes, and the covers and dead bodies, animals, that all are mixing. That is also which one is harmful gases also, and harmful substances also is mixing with the chemical substances are mixing with that water. That is called as a water pollution. Sources of water pollution. Almost all sources of water pollution are made as I discussed below. One is industries. First of all, I told you. The water is mainly polluting by the releasing of the different chemical substances like byproducts or other things, which are directly we are sending to that water like ponds or rivers, which are getting that pollutant. Second, synthetic detergents. Okay, synthetic detergent means what is that? Whenever that it is very especially house cases and in house cases whatever that household that we are using that. Detergents we are sending to their ponds or using washing and all that chemical things we are mixing with that ponds. So that is becoming also pollutant. Agriculture runs out. Nowadays what happening? Nowadays almost all that people they are depending to get that more quantity of that crop. So that's why what they are doing, they are applying that chemicals and that like fertilizers. Okay. So that fertilizers whatever that we are or pesticides to kill that insects. So they are applying more amount of that things. The which one we are whenever that water bodies, when that water will come, that it will go to that outside or other surface or other place, that it is getting that water pollutants. Okay. Next, oil leakaging. I told that in the ocean tanks of what that oil tanks, whenever it will get that leakage, it will mix with that oil, so will mix it in the water. Oxygen demanding that bio waste. You know that whenever any animals if will died or that any cow dungs or any other spoiling things wastage in that gases, it will mix that bad smells like it is coming, that is mixing with that air, and which one the air is getting pollutants. So how we can do that environmental, how can we make that clean, how that our water can make that protection and will clean, that we will discuss. How can we be effective about that? By that water, whenever it will get that pollutant, what are the effects? How that we will face that disease? How that water will get that pollutants? We will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.